Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. I would like to direct this message to my fellow Nuer people, brothers, sisters, sons and daughters of this great nation. Today I speak not with anger, but with deep sorrow and disappointment. Our people are suffering, our children are being displaced, our homes are being burned, and yet those who are supposed to speak for us, defend us, and stand with us, our very own Nuer leader, are silent. What has become of our leadership? What happened to the courage, the pride, and the spirit of protection that once defined the Nuer? While President Salva Kiir Mayardit continued to push our people out of their land, our leaders are sitting in offices, holding position and shaking hands with the very system that is destroying our people. I ask you, what kind of future are you leaving behind? What will your children say about you when you are gone? Will they say you stood with your people in time of pain, or will they say you were too afraid to speak? Leadership is not about wearing a suit, sitting in meeting, or being called honorable or excellency. Leadership is about sacrifice. It is about standing in front of your people when danger comes, not hiding behind power and pretending all is well. Our mothers are crying. Our children are hungry. Our youth have no school, no job, no home, and still many of our leaders remain quiet, waiting, watching, and doing nothing. Let me be very clear. Silence in the face of injustice is betrayal, and betrayal of your people is a sin that history will not forgive. We must rise, we must stand, and our leader must wake up before it is too late. The Nuer people did not suffer for you to be silent. They trusted you to speak for them, to fight for them, and to protect them. To every Nuer leader, I say this: your name will be remembered by what you do now, not by your rank, not by your salary, not by your connection. What will you leave behind when you are gone? A name of courage or a name of shame? The time is now. The time to act is now. May God bless the Nuer people. May truth and justice guide our leaders. May peace return to our land, but not at the cost of our dignity. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye-bye.